Hello my friends, my name is tripurari. Today I am going to do a C++ program that will be helpful in finding the coordinates according to the given formula, and we have to find the coordinates according to which the question is asking. See, this is the question. This is saying that we have to take 2 points in the x and y axis coordinate. The 2 points will be separated x and y, and the x will be added together and the y will be added together of the axis, and then the resultant which will get the point, that will be our third point. See, like this we have to take point 1, point 2, and the sum of point 1 and point 2 will be the point 3. For this we are going to write a program. The program will be like this. We typed here, that is having a header file and using namespace std. These two are the mandatory. Without this we can't write a program. And after that we made a structure named as point. In this structure we are declaring some variables x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, that is a integer variables. Then the structure has been closed. Then the main function starts. In the main function we are declaring a point variable. This point has been point is a structure that we made above. This is declaring a variable p1. This p1 will be calling all the time the member of the structure, such as x1, y1, x2. This all will be called with the help of this p1 variable. After that we are giving a cout statement that will be very useful for instructing the user what he has to do or she has to do next. Then indel will be useful in changing the line. Then the cin statement. In this we are calling the variables inside the structure with the help of the variable we declared in the main function, that is point p1. So for calling that variables of the structure we have to call like this: object means variable dot the variable inside the structure, p1 dot x1 we called this, then p1 dot y1 we called this, like this p1 dot x2 and p1 dot y2. We taken all the inputs of the variable in the structure. Then the cout statement is printing that the first point is equal to p1 dot x1, that is the x point in the x-axis, and p1 dot y1, that is the y point in the y-axis. And the same comma we have given in double quote because it is a character, it can't be printed like that only. And again indel is used to change the line. The again we are printing something, that is second point we are printing, that is p1 dot x2, x coordinate of the this point, and p1 point y2, that is the y coordinate of this point. And again indel, that will change the line. Then we are getting the third point, which is, as the question says, that it should be the sum of the first point and the second point. So we can see in this formula we have given that p1 x3 means the x coordinate of the third point should be, or it has to be equal to the sum of p1 dot x1 plus p1 dot x2. Then p1 dot y3, that is the y variable, y coordinate of the third point, that is equal to the p1 dot y1 and p1 dot y2. Then this coordinate or this point we are printing, that is in the printout statement, is the third point is equal to p1 dot x3 and p1 dot y3. After that indel and the semicolon, line is closed, finished. After closing the curly braces, now we have to check the program is running or not. See, it is taking some time in compiling, I think. It is saying that enter the 2 point. We are giving that 1, 2, 12 and 13. Again 2, 3. We are getting as the answer the first point is equal to 12, 13 and 2, 3. The third point is equal to 12 plus 2 is 14 and 13 plus 3 is equal to 16. Like this the program is working. Thank you.